Hey guys, welcome back. You're still tuned into Business Lunch on CNBC-TV18. Now, an important news, the Agricultural Ministry in its second advance estimate has projected record high wheat and rice harvest. This is for the current crop year. Wheat production is estimated at 112.18 million tons, which is pretty much at the target of 112 million tons for the current agricultural year, while the total rice production is estimated at 130.8 million tons, which is actually 1% higher on a year-over-year basis. Again, this is pretty much at the year's full year's target of 130 million tons. The total food production, however, is being estimated at 323.5 million tons, but is lower against the target of 328 million tons for the current year. So our colleague Abhimanyu spoke to the Food Secretary on all of these. Let's listen into that.
The procurements would happen start from the 1st of April. So as of now, you must have seen the second advance estimates which have come from the Agriculture Ministry. The production is expected to be quite good, and we are expecting more than about 112 to 113 million tons of production. So that gives us a lot of cause for cheer that production is going to be good. With regard to procurement, that starts on the 1st of April. And the wheat prices have come down. You are aware of the decision of the central government of selling about 30 lakh tons in the open market. This was done on 25th of January. Since then, prices have come down and they are ruling now less than 2,500 rupees. And we are hopeful that with the policy decision that the government will take and is taking, the prices will come down further in the coming few days.
India is looked at in a positive light internationally as far as rice exports are concerned. What's the current situation on rice? And also, is there a possibility in near future of the export limit being increased for sugar as well as rice?
Well, rice exports, the basmati rice exports, of course, there is no issue. With regard to the non-basmati, there was restriction imposed last year. So government will review the situation as and when we are finding that the production figures and the procurement figures are in line with any kind of a review of the decision, which we would take in due course. With regard to sugar production, we are getting figures that it will be slightly less than what we had last year. And besides the 60 lakh tons of exports that were allowed in November last year, we would take a call on whether any further exports would be allowed or not once we have a very firm indication of the production figures.
All right, so that was the news from the agricultural side. Well, shifting focus then to another important news development of the day, and the income tax officials continue search operations at the offices of BBC in New Delhi as well as Mumbai. Now, sources suggest that the taxman has alleged that the British broadcaster had not complied with the transfer pricing rules, and they have also levelled allegations of profit diversion. Now, the BBC, in a statement yesterday, said that they were fully cooperating with the authorities, and they said that they hope to have the situation resolved as soon as possible.
All right, so that is what we're tracking on the BBC, but we are going to keep bringing you up.